If the RBC mobile app freezes while you're using it, the issue is usually related to the app performance or memory. Here's how to fix it. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC mobile app and then swipe it away from the reset apps, then reopen it. Restart your phone to clear the temporary memory and background processes. Then head over to your app store, search for RBC mobile app and check and install any available RBC app updates. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so make sure to update it. On Android, clear the apps cache from the system settings. On iPhone, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete app, then delete the app. After that, to reinstall, go to the App Store, search for RBC mobile app and reinstall it from there. After reinstalling, make sure there are no other heavy apps that are running in the background. If there are, remove it. After that, freeing memory and updating the app, freezing issues usually stop, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.